This is my friend, the golden eagle. I think I'll call him or her Goldie. This eagle has his heart set on eating either our ducks, or our pigeons, or our chukars. So my sister Marie has basically had to put all of the birds into protective custody, because Goldie here is looking for easy pickings for dinner. He moves just fine. He flies just fine. I think he's just hanging out hoping we'll stop watching him and that he can somehow have a pigeon dinner. But there's no pigeon dinner for Goldie tonight. He's a beautiful bird. Probably kind of young, just not as agile and nimble. Sometimes he picks bad branches, likes to try and perch up on the privet, but it's not very strong. It's not meant for a golden eagle to be hanging out on it. What would you tell them if you wanted to talk to them, Goldie? Can you talk? What would you say? Do you have a screaming eagle thing you would say? Goodness gracious. Hi, Goldie. Yeah. Good bird. Yes, you're a beautiful bird. We just don't want you eating our pigeons and such. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Huh? Does Uncle Chris right? Does somebody need to come capture you and take you someplace else? Did your eagle mama not teach you? Huh? You're gorgeous. Are you ready to go? Yes, I think you should go. 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 You just don't want to go. What is up with that, huh? Have you known other people? Let's look at you closely. I don't see any band. Let's check out the feet. I don't see any banding. No, no band. You're just looking kind of intense there. Are you gonna come at me? Huh? I hope not. I hope not. You're beautiful, you know that? You're a gorgeous bird. What is up, huh?